conservation plans generally consist of, well, preserve the land that it grows on, and, well, maybe collect some seeds and put them in a seed bag.
It's Endangered Species Day at the U.S. Botanic Garden, where exhibits line the walkways to raise awareness about the world's disappearing landscapes. Horticulturalist Ray Mins drives that point home in the Hawaiian Room.
Hawaii has one of the smallest land masses in North America, but has the largest percentage of endangered species. So almost every plant you see in this room is endangered.
Mins singles out Brighamia, also known as cabbage on a stick. Its population has been decimated in the wild, in part because its natural pollinator, an unknown species, perhaps it was an insect or a bird or a bat, has gone missing permanently.
The pollinator of that plant is extinct, and so there's no natural way for that plant to be pollinated, although in captivity you can pollinate it.
It's those pollinators that concern Jody Johnson.
Are you a gardener?
A little bit.
Johnson represents Pollinator Partnership, a California-based group that promotes pollinator health, so critical to healthy ecosystems and food production.
Many people know that honeybees are pollinators, but there's so many other pollinators, bats being an example, and geckos and flying squirrels, that people don't know about, and so it's raising that consciousness level.
Like all flowers, orchids are dependent on pollinators. The cultivated collection at the Botanic Garden captures the attention of Californian Josefina Mateo and her relative Raul de los Santos, visiting from the Philippines.
I saw this little nook in the corner. It's from the Philippines, so that got me excited. I just loved orchids, so I just came here and started taking pictures.
Yes, having to see one represented here is really interesting to see that. But then again, it also brings back, especially for my kids, to understand that there are certain things to be more aware of the environment. We're losing a lot of these special species that we have.
Horticulturalist Ray Mins is troubled that so many orchids, like the ones in this room, are endangered, mainly by illegal collectors. He says the display helps draw attention to this and other problems in the wild.
We hope that people see the beauty of native and endangered plants and sort of can walk away understanding that actions that we take as humans and as gardeners really can affect plants and what we can do at home to sort of help protect endangered species.
Nancy Geyer from Clinton, Maryland, comes to the garden to relax. She's moved by what she sees.
When something is gone from the world, there's no getting it back. And everything on Earth was put here for a reason, and it all affects how we live.
At the U.S. Botanic Garden in Washington, I'm Roseanne Skirbel, VOA News.
Not his toes.